So guys, as we said back guys, the projector installation. So right now I have the Redmi Note 4. So I'm doing on this device. So firstly we need guys the GSI image and the rendered images guys. So these files are already downloaded on my SD card. So firstly I'm going to install the vendor one. So after flashing the vendor one, you need to flash guys the GSI image. So the vendor is taking not so much time. So after flashing that, we move on installing on the GSI image. So I exactly put it on my internal card. So there's do not need to exactly put it on the SD card, or maybe you can put in an SD card, and you can also do that with your internal card. So you have to flash it with the system images. Make sure you flash it on your system images. So after getting guys on a system images, we have to flash it. After flashing guys, this is not take so much time. It takes like a 5 to 10 seconds for me guys. So after flashing that, we need a reboot. So guys, if you're going to reboot, you maybe face like the boot loop and the other issues. So guys, you need also to be flash the GSI fixes. As our GSI fixes already given on the description, go download and also do that. If you guys not flash the GSI fixes, maybe your boot loop started again and again. So I recommend you guys to please go and download the GSI fixes images, and thereafter you need to flash the GSI image fixes images. So guys, as right now I'm flashing it on my phone, so it doesn't take so much time for me guys, 5 to 10 seconds for me. I don't know what exactly takes for you. So guys, after doing that, I'm rebooting to my device guys. So when you have to reboot guys, you have to reboot the system. So guys, I'm going back and really I'm going to do on system. So let's see if we booted or not. As the Mi logo boots up, as boot up guys, so you can also guys change this boot animation and guys also the boot logo. So if you know how to do that, in the future video I will do that. As I skip this process of booting it, so this step will be skipping guys, so please be patient for boot. So it taking a little bit longer time, so please be patient. So guys, after taking so much time guys, finally the phone boots up. So we need guys first set up this phone, and if you do that, so you can select yes on your phone the SIM card settings. Let's see guys what exactly comes up on the settings. So in order to do that, we have to go on the setting first. So first we wanna going to setting, and so let's see guys what the changes over the settings says. Let's check guys first. We on a system about phone. So scrolling down for seeing the Android version as visible clearly guys, the 9, obviously the Android P. So let's check the Android P logo over here, the animation that comes with the Android Pie. As you can see, this navigation works quite quickly guys, but guys, you have noticed that the nav bar is exactly on the node, so it doesn't came up here guys like the Android Pie does. So how we do that? So if you want to do that guys, we first check what exactly the gestures came out for. So first we have to go guys on the gestures. So if we're going on the gestures guys, we can know what exactly the gestures came up. As you can see, there is no home button gestures enabled for us. So what we do next guys? So guys, in order to do that, we have to some fixes guys. As the fixing file I have also given in the description, you need to flash guide, otherwise you cannot able to use that. So I'm recommend you guys to first go in the description and flash the file guys. So let's see guys do fix file setups. So as you can see, the gestures on the gestures guys, you can see the navbars won't appear like the Android Pie. So first we flash the overlays guys. Flashing the overlays will enable guys the Android P bar. So as it's error, so first you have to do guys the mount these settings. After doing that, you flash. So as you can see, the problem over fixes over here. So we need on to go to the system. So guys, this will be fixes the Android navbar, but guys, two more things we have to fix over here. Obviously the guys digital well-being guys, you cannot see over the settings, and the third one is guys the Google Play service, which is currently 4 stops. Don't know why, but exactly this also be going to be fixed over here. So right now we booted, so let's see guys, can we enable the Android Pie navbar right now. So we first have to go to settings. Over there we exactly on the setting and gestures we find there is a home button right now enabled for us. So guys, we have to do is that we have to enable the home gestures. As you can see the gesture setting on a home, so don't know why it's don't appearing guys. It takes time guys for the first time we as you can see the navbars appears guys, like it's looking like Google Pixel X. So finally we did that guys, we know we did that, but we need to do two more things guys, as I told you back guys, the Google Play service and the digital well-being app. So as I already downloaded that, so we guys just need to install those apps. So first I'm going to installing the Google Play service because it's important guys. There's don't know why guys the Play Store won't work without the Google Play service, so it's necessary to do that. So firstly I'm going to install first the guys Google Play service. So right now I'm on a files, don't know why it's taking too much time guys. So whenever I boot for the first time in the Project Rebel, it takes a lot time guys. So I'm going to files, as you can see appear, and over the downloads I have to filter where I actually located the file. So this is the file that I have downloaded. If you're going to guys downloading that, you have to guys give permission for the unknown services, as taking too much time because it takes too much time for the first time guys installation. So what you can do, you can actually wait for the installation sets up. Okay, so wait guys, don't know why taking too much time. So after doing that, we have also installed the Google well-being because it's not pre-installed on this. If you like install guys ROMs like Pixel Experience or more ROMs guys, those apps already installed and there is no lag. So don't know why taking too much time, so we have to wait. Finally installed it, and thereafter we need install guys the digital well-being as already tell you guys. So going back and finding the app digital well-being and allowing the permission guys, I have to again install this. So after fixing that files guys, we finally install the Project Rebel properly. Hope you guys will like this video guys. Please do thumbs up, do subscribe, and guys please do share. So guys, I'm meet you in the next video. For this time guys, bye bye.